Here are 8 models to avoid in 2025. Car 1. Tesla Model 3. Starting with the Tesla Model 3. Although Tesla is popular for its tech, the Model 3 is known for costly repairs and long wait times for parts. According to Finance Buzz, if a part needs replacing, you might be stuck without your car for months, adding rental costs to the repair bill. If you're looking for a low-maintenance car, the Model May 3rd not be your best bet. Car 2. 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. Next up, the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. While spacious and family-friendly, this vehicle has safety concerns. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gives it low marks for poor headlights. Additionally, it has car seat anchors that are difficult to access, making it less practical for families with young children. Car 3. 2022 Rivian R1T. The 2022 Rivian R1T is another car to avoid. While Rivian is innovative, Consumer Reports rates the R1T low in reliability, especially with climate control, drive system, and body hardware issues. To top it off, this vehicle isn't budget-friendly, making it a tough choice for those wanting reliability at a reasonable cost. Car 4. 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. The 2021 Ford Bronco Sport reappeared with much fanfare, but it's plagued by issues. Common problems include engine, brake, and transmission troubles, along with air and water leaks, according to Finance Buzz. If you're looking for a dependable SUV, you might want to skip the 2021 Bronco Sport. Car 5. 2022 Volkswagen Taos. The 2022 Volkswagen Taos has been recalled 6 times, says the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Issues include brake failure, antifreeze leaks, and overheating. Given these recurring problems, you may want to avoid this model. Car 6. 2023 Jeep Compass. The 2023 Jeep Compass has seen recalls for electrical issues, with some models failing to display crucial info like speedometer readings and warning lights. Previous models also had transmission, suspension, and steering issues. This doesn't bode well for long-term reliability. Car 7. 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Although the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE is a luxury SUV, it has had 11 recalls, mainly for electrical system software and wiring issues. Make sure any recalls have been addressed if you're considering this model. Otherwise, it could become a costly choice. Car 8. 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. Finally, the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. Consumer Reports highlights major engine issues in the 2021 model. Additionally, the 2022 version saw further declines in electrical reliability. Given these issues, the Tahoe might be worth skipping. When buying a used car, reliability is key. Avoiding these models could save you from unwanted headaches and high repair costs. Do your research, and remember to prioritize cars with a strong repair record, long lifespan, and top safety ratings. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video, and happy car hunting!